take out the wheel. After that, this is in the very bad condition, like you see here. Take out this one, this one, this one. Take out this one, 16, 18. After you do this, take this one. When you do all of this, take out this one, and this one, these three. I clean up a little bit. Now I take out this one. Oh, if this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. Don't cost you anything and help me a lot. Yeah, there are some cracks. Okay. Sixteen. Okay, now I use a key like this. I make this key. It is very small. Put here. Okay. I forgot to tell you I use a jack to push up. I take out the arms. This one is good, but the other one was broke, like you see here, and I changed both of them. Take out this one, 16, 18 over here. Is done. Now I need only to take out the shock absorber. You can put over here a screw or what you have here to make the space to take out the shock absorber. Hit slowly, not so hard. Like you see, it goes down. I put down the jack. Don't go very fast. It's done.
need only the patience and don't hit harder. Okay. Take the screw. Let's take the screw from out. These three. Take out two and the last one. Okay, let's see how it is. This one have cracks. It's full of dirt.
If you don't have this type of press, you can use a very thick wire. This press is for normal springs. BMW springs are shorter and more difficult to change them.
Take out this one, and here you have 21. You see how it is the shock absorber. It doesn't go up anymore. Very good. I'm joking. It's broke. All the time when I put a new shock absorber, I make this 6 times. It's hard with one hand. Okay, I put the protection for the dust. This one you need to put like this, and here the spear stop here, not here. Over here. This protection needs to enter here, like you see. Now let's put it up. So I changed it and I put this one, and after that I put the rest.
As you can see, to put the spring, I improvised a small press to compress the spring a little more. Because my press is for the normal spring.
Now it's done. Need to put it up on the car. I put these three back. If you want, when you take out, you can mark here where it was. I didn't need to mark because it is very much dust and I see the place. Now to put this absorber back, I take out this one, this arm I take out. Is 16, 18. When you put this one back, have this two need to place over here. Okay. Okay, put everything back here. Okay, see over here this small arm here and here with 16. This one, okay, and this one, this arm, you need to put it back on the position when the car it's in the with the wheel on the floor, or you can use a jack and put up this this wheel until he go up from here a little bit. I show you now.
This is all for today. I was Julian. I hope this video helped you. If it helped you, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. Don't cost you anything and help me a lot. You see? And now you can tighten the arm. I tighten with 19.